Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Look at this beautiful colorful desserts. Let's make Oreo truffles. 3-ingredient Oreo truffle time. Let's get our Oreos in the food processor. Grind it to get fine powder. There you go. Just like powder. Alright, so our second ingredient is cream cheese. So add room temperature cream cheese in it. Just adding a spoonful and then the whole packet. Here are my chocolate Oreo truffles. I kept it in the fridge for 20 minutes. And here is my chopped milk chocolate and some dark chocolate. I am adding it in the bowl. Microwave it for 30 seconds and until it's melted. Alright, let's see how it's melted after 1 minute. Look at this, beautifully melted. Just make sure there are no lumps and keep stirring. Alright, quickly roll it, dip it, cover it. Just like so. Shake the bowl, make sure everything is covered. Tap it and with a wooden stick place it here and just simply place it and garnish it with any of the garnishing. I have Oreo crumble and some other garnishes. Right, let's just do the final decoration. I have done some drizzles with the chocolate, over chocolate, and now this is the white chocolate almond bar. Just melted, 30 seconds interval, and then drizzle it. Just like so. Look at this, beautiful. Just make sure that your speed is good and fast and consistent. Done. Alright, so let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes on a normal temperature outside, or if you can keep it in the fridge for 5 to 7 minutes, then that is also fine. And look at this beautiful gorgeous goodies. Oreo truffles are ready with different designs and good variety here. I made it in different shapes as well, so make sure you explore your imagination and make these truffles and enjoy it while it's chilled. And I'm going to serve it in a small cup, just like so. I'm going to show you. There you go. Looks nice also. Alright, thank you for watching my Oreo truffle recipe. Do try it at home, and the festival season is coming up, so get ready, practice, and enjoy, and give me any questions and suggestions and feedback. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And hey, thanks for all the subscribers, and if you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye for now.